Novak Djokovic's Australian visa was cancelled for a second time Friday by the country's immigration minister Alex Hawke, a decision that comes days after a federal court overturned the Australian Border Force's initial decision to cancel the unvaccinated tennis star's visa. It's unclear how the decision, or Djokovic's likely legal challenge, will impact the Australian Open, which is set to begin Monday. Djokovic, who has won the tournament 9 times, is the competition's top-seeded contender, and a victory would break his tie with Roger Federer and Rafael Nadal for the most Grand Slam tournament titles, giving him 21. Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison said the decision to cancel Djokovic's visa was taken on health and good order grounds and added, "Australians have made many sacrifices during this pandemic, and they rightly expect the result of those sacrifices to be protected." This is what the minister, Hawke, is doing in taking this action today. "Our strong border protection policies have kept Australians safe, prior to COVID and now during the pandemic." Earlier this week, former Australian tennis player and Member of Parliament John Alexander wrote in a Facebook post that Djokovic appeared to have complied with all the health entry require. He wrote, "The minister's personal powers to cancel visas are designed to prevent criminals otherwise walking our streets, or to prevent a contagious person otherwise walking our streets. They're not designed to assist in dealing with a potential political problem of the day." Friday's visa revoca. The Serbian tennis star was granted a medical exemption to play in the Australian Open despite being unvaccinated, but after landing in Melbourne last week, border authorities detained him at the airport for hours and eventually revoked his visa, deciding he didn't meet Australia's strict vaccine The cancellation of the visa was challenged by Djokovic's legal team as the player was placed in immigration detention in a Melbourne hotel. On Monday, the Melbourne Federal Circuit Court ruled in favour of Novak Djokovic and ordered the Australian government to reinstate Djokovic's visa. In his ruling, the judge said that the cancellation of the visa was unreasonable as Djokovic was denied adequate time to consult others on the questions raised by the border authorities. On Wednesday, Djokovic admitted that he participated in an interview and photo shoot in December, despite being aware that he was COVID positive. In a statement issued on Instagram, the 20-time Grand Slam winner apologized for making an error of judgment.